I already see some really complicated things, so I don't know. It's pretty scary. Yeah, we don't have a CT scanner or anything like that, so we'll see how. This is just really scary. Man, this is crazy. We'll see. I'm gonna have to do quite a lot of reading on the fly. We'll see how much of this I can absorb. Oh man. Oh man, we need drugs. Oh. Okay. Man, this is gonna be interesting. We want this place full. Look, there's nothing here. There's so many, people outside, and we could use some more drugs. We'll see. And I mean, yeah, it's just very scary. We'll see what we can do for people.
You try to hold the hope in the midst of the reality, but be realistic about what you're facing.
Where's my bag? Okay. All right, we're going to see the first patient. Not there.
This is messy. It's totally messy. We know that there are challenges. We know that they're not fully equipped. But what an amazing gift that they can provide to this community. Even if it's not done perfectly, which it won't be, it's going to be a gift. And maybe there'll be a few more people that have access to some kind of care that they would have never had before.